Hello, Celts! Today I'm going to talk about how to complete a LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network. Their mission is to connect the world's professionals, allowing them full flexibility to be productive and successful in their goals. With LinkedIn, you will have the opportunity to network and connect with our industry professionals and find opportunities that fit within your respective field or major. To join LinkedIn, create your profile by navigating to the LinkedIn sign-up page. There, enter your email and password. Next, enter your first and last name and confirm your phone number and click Submit. To complete your profile, enter your most recent company and most recent job title. Select I'm a student if you're a student and enter your school, degree, specialization, start year, end year, and click Continue. Once you have done the following, confirm your email. Then select whether you're looking for a new job and type the general role and location of where you would like to work. Upon joining, you want to develop and customize your LinkedIn profile. This creates opportunities for you as it will showcase your professional endeavors and help recruiters find your profile. Start by adding a professional photo to your profile. Next, click the area titled Add Profile section and complete as many sections as you can. It's okay if you do not have enough information to fill some of them. You can always go back and edit your profile as you gain experience. Use the Edit feature next to each section to edit or add more information to it. Do not forget to write a short introduction about yourself and what you're looking for in the About section. This should reflect your motivations, skills, and mission. You can then add relevant work and educational experience. Be sure to add quantifiable bullet points below your experiences. This allows other users to get a sense of what kind of work you accomplished while you were at your role. Lastly, you can add relevant skills. Adding a list of skills not only demonstrates your ability, but it also helps others understand your strengths. To go the extra mile, you can even take an assessment of the skills you have listed. Now that you have completed the basics for your profile, you can take the time to tailor your page to fit your professional brand. You can add a personal URL and even promote your profile. These are steps you can take to elevate your profile and give you better success whether you are job searching or networking. Also, make sure to join professional organizations, affiliations, and groups related to your interest, industry, etc. to help increase your connections. If you have any questions, please use the contact information on your screen to reach us. Remember to connect with us on social media, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us.